In August 2010, Shaklee introduced the Shaklee Bonus Car program.
Shaklee family, I give you cars!
By handing over keys to Mercedes S400 luxury hybrids to top-ranked distributors.
I think I could drive this.
I love it! It fits!
Today, thousands of Shaklee distributors of all ranks are working toward earning payments for their Shaklee bonus cars. And you can too.
The car program is just more of an incentive. It's just something extra to reach for.
Well, there's white. Let's check it out.
Look at the white one.
That's kind of cool.
To have someone come along and say, just for doing the same things you've been doing and get a car, what a great incentive.
I didn't realize that I can control the phone from the steering wheel.
Many places are cutting back, downsizing, taking things away from people, and Shaklee is growing and offering more and more.
A lot of the young people, if they can get a new car and we have a way to support them to pay for their college, it's a very powerful thing to bring to the table.
Years ago, we would have been back to the base model probably because it was all about price. But like I say, we have our good friend Shaklee.
What would it be like for you not to have a car payment? Some people have never been without a car payment. They have no idea what it's like.
It's really not a complicated process to be able to get your car. We haven't done anything differently. We're just doing more of it. And by doing that, Shaklee rewards us with a car. I can see myself looking really great in that car.
This is perfect. This is tangible evidence that this company really does give out great rewards. I love the mouse on the dashboard.
Well, don't push anything. You're liable to reject us or something. We don't know.
So not only can we have the lifestyle we want, we can choose our income, we also now have a bonus car that we're driving. We just discovered another feature of the car.
What's that?
We can sit in the back.
It's affording us something we would not be able to afford right at the moment. This is very exciting for us.
You reach the rank of director by sharing Shaklee, and then you teach one more person how to do that, and then voila, then you have a car and you can go teach a lot more people how to do that.
Anybody can do this.
Just get really good at one thing, and that's sharing Shaklee and helping people understand the value of what you have and what they can have.
I think this is a good Shaklee car.
Yeah,
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's got our Shaklee car written all over it.
There's nothing wrong with having a new car all the time. It says that things are going pretty good.
This is our new Shaklee bonus car.